you know that I've been into like the tower garden, growing hydroponic plants and stuff, and how wonderful it is. Well, I've learned this new thing. There's a water, I've known for years that drinking pH balanced water is better than tap water. So I've never looked into it. I've never done a video on it or nothing. So I found out that Kangen water over on Main Street has a tower garden, and they're using pH balanced water to grow their vegetables. Really? That's so cool. So we're gonna go check it out. Going to Kangen Water. I hear they're really nice people, so we're gonna talk to them and pick their brain and kind of see how things go. We'll give you updates after this video on the growth of the plants, okay? But I wonder if you use cleaner water that doesn't have chemicals in it, it should help the plants a lot, right? That's what I think. So this is the reason I am here. This beauty, look at this. This is literally in the infant stages right now. It's the very beginning. And what is the name? I don't have this tower. What is the name of this tower?
Jack, this is the home garden. It's been out for about 3 years now.
Yeah, that's brand new type design, right?
Yeah, well not brand new because it's been out 3 years, but
Well, for me, it's brand new.
yeah, for you it is. But this has the little kit. Let me get up here.
That's all good.
It's all good. The baby greens. Now, see, these need to be harvested because those are supposed to be baby greens. So we'll have to harvest this. This
That's
is only
fine.
2 weeks old.
That's just 2 weeks?
2 weeks old in here, the growing.
Really?
Now, of course, the seedlings came from Tennessee Urban Farm.
Yeah.
But the trick is this time. Oh yeah, I know.
Look at that. That doesn't even look real.
Look at that. Isn't that
That's
beautiful?
real? That's a real leaf?
Of course, that's a real.
That looks, I feel like I'm at,
Look at some romaine lettuce
Wow.
right here. Some
Yeah.
kale.
It's funny, one of my members a while ago, as he's walking out, he said, "Are those real?"
that's what I said. They don't look real. They look so perfect. I don't think I've ever seen perfect leaves like these. Look at all the greenery. You don't see,
You know how I am. Here you go. You get to taste this.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Arugula.
I'm eating half the tower. This is great. And if you've never eaten right off the tower garden, I promise you, count to 60 and in a minute, you will feel energy like you've never felt before. That's the best. But just like on the farm, we tried it. I could have drove home myself with no gas. Wow. The arugula, this is a beautiful tower.
So, Jack, what we're doing different on this that we're trying out, because I'm here at Mike's store, at the Kangen store here in Hendersonville. And I'm going to get Mike to tell you about the water, but we're using Kangen water off of this.
Right.
And as I said, this is only 2 weeks old. And I mean, this is so lush and green. So I'm going to get Mike to tell you about it. We're doing an experiment. We've got one here, the home garden here, and then we're doing a flex garden so that we can show people what the difference is. But with his clean water and then clean food, I mean, what more can you ask for?
No wonder they look so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's okay if I ask you a bunch of questions, right? Sure. Because I get real nosy. What are we doing here? What makes this special, this tower?
Well, I think it's the water itself is acidic. It's a pH of 6.0. They call it beauty water, which is great for your skin. It's great for plants. It's great for your hair.
And they're just absolutely beautiful. I think
Mine
it's
never
just-
looked like this. I had one.
Well, I have them.
I've
really got
He's sitting here laughing at me. I know everybody laughs at me, but your stuff looks picture perfect.
It is, yeah.
So the experiment or the video that excites me most, this video here, is you're putting, I've heard of pH balanced water before. I heard that it's very healthy for you, it's very good for you. So if it's good for you, then it's gotta be good for the plants.
Of course.
And you're proving it right now on how beautiful everything's coming out. Now, I'm definitely gonna be visiting you often to see how this progresses. But so we're expecting taking perfect water and putting it with a perfect water system and getting perfect plants. So that's, I'm calling it. I expect it to be beautiful. I haven't seen it yet. You're seeing it, guys, firsthand right now. And then you're gonna see, that's only 2 weeks. And these are normally what, 2 little seedlings, right? Or well, each one.
You'd have to
Yeah,
ask
you know me.
Yeah.
The little seedlings, yep.
Little tiny ones,
Little
right?
tiny baby seedlings.
And they've grown so fast.
Now this is a baby right here. This is rosemary, so you can see how small it is.
Oh, I like rosemary. How you doing, sweetie? Yeah, look, I feel like I'm at Hobby Lobby picking up fake plants.
I know, right?
I feel that. So literally the only water running through here is perfectly pH balanced water.
Yep, from the machines. Our
Wow.
water machines.
Can you show us more about what we're talking about? Because some people don't even know what we just touched on.
Yeah. These machines are water ionizers.
Right.
And the technology's been around for about 40 years.
Right?
Okay, it's a Japanese product. These machines are actually certified as medical devices in Japan.
Really?
They're in over 300 hospitals and clinics.
Right?
And yeah, there's all types of certifications and research has been done on these, but these machines can produce 7 different pHs of water.
Really? So what's your perfect pH? Is everybody different?
I drink the 9.5 because that's the one that basically hydrates your body the best. Okay.
Right.
Because the higher the pH, the smaller the molecules become, which water molecules are made up of like a cluster.
Right.
So if you got two, like a regular tap water or bottled water,
Right.
the clusters are so big they can't get into the human cell.
Right.
Whereas this water, we can prove that with a tea bag.
Really?
Yeah, just by adding, bottled water to the tea bag or the Kangen water to a tea bag.
So if I buy this water, for example, does it taste just like water?
Does it taste like water?
I know I'm asking stupid questions, but this is what I think everybody wants to know. Does
Yeah.
it taste different? What does it taste like?
Well, I'll let you experience it yourself.
Okay.
This is 9.5.
That's 9.5 right there?
Actually, that one's in a cleaning cycle because I didn't use it
Right.
earlier this morning. We'll get this one.
Okay. Do you want me to turn this one off?
Well, no, I can leave it on
Okay.
till it gets into the 9.5. You'll notice how smooth the water tastes.
Okay.
And it's packed with antioxidant.
Wow. You expected it to taste different, but
Excuse me, Jack, I got
yeah, no, Rug, please take care of your customers. Tastes like water. Hey guys, guess what? Tastes like water. Tastes like water, really.
You don't have to taste the chlorine taste in it though, do you?
No.
That's what I,
Wow, it
that's the first thing I
tastes
noticed.
smooth and soft and
Uh-huh.
everything.
this property I'm gonna show you. There is
Okay.
actually 3 properties, but when we take the tea bag here,
So if you tell me to pick a card, we're done with the video. No, just kidding. Here, pick any card. This is really exciting. I'm learning like all new stuff.
so
That's
Okay.
what happened with me.
Yeah. So how long
But-
did you do this?
Well, I used to do it a couple of years ago on another store downtown Nashville
Right.
when I would go down there. But I just feel I can tell such a difference in the water that I drink and wash my vegetables and everything. Not my tower to garden vegetables,
Right. No, I get it.
but ones that I have to pay so much money for
Yeah.
these days in the store.
Oh yeah.
this tea bag, Jack, is gonna represent the cells in our body. We got millions of cells in our body.
Okay.
And we want our cells to absorb the water, right?
Right.
As you can see, that's not getting absorbed into the tea bag.
Right.
So we're gonna go over and take some of the 9.5 water.
Okay. So that tea bag, brand new, went into that water and didn't
You got just a tenth.
just a little bit.
But check this out. Look at that.
No. Okay. No. Are you serious?
Yeah.
So what exactly made it have more color and more tea? What?
The
This right
water
here?
molecules, they cluster together.
Right.
With the Kangen water, it's a microcluster. It's only made up of like 5 to 7 water molecules.
So it can go through.
This water can be made up of anywhere from 15 to 25.
Right.
So it can't get in.
That is. Look at that. That is green as green can be.
Now, watch what happens when I use the 11.5 with the tea bag.
Okay. And the 11.5 is stronger than this in
Oh, yeah, but you don't really want to drink the 11.5. It's just great. It's a great cleaning agent.
Okay, got it. Oh my goodness.
You clean the engine on your car with this.
Really?
You can just use this one.
So they just come in and use those machines, right?
Yep, they just come in and get the water.
And does that pull regular tap water, filter it, and put it right into that bottle? Is that how fast it works?
That's how fast it works.
There you go. Thank you.
It's amazing. This is kind of exciting.
I've
This
been
is-
drinking it for a couple of weeks now, and I'm telling you what, I just feel fantastic.
Okay.
Everybody needs to drink this water.
So,
Everybody.
Yep.
So
There's all
the-
kinds of stuff in our water.
they come here for your machines.
We share the water and we sell the machines.
Oh, you do both?
Yeah.
Okay, so if, let's say, because I feel the same as when I first discovered about freeze drying, when I first discovered about the tower gardens, everything. When I learn something new, I get really excited. So, like, if I wanted to go with one of these machines, is it like a payment plan, or how does it work? Do I rent it from you, or do I buy it?
They have an installment plan, or you can do full payment.
Well, and how long does that last? Do you have to change filters? I'm sure.
20 or more years.
What?
Now you may have to replace the filter like once every 1,600 gallons. And that's about $120.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow.
20 years?
20 years. And how long you been in business?
11. I've never sent a machine back.
So you don't have to you have many years left before you have to even think about getting another machine.
Well, actually, I can just send it back to the company and they can replace the plates in it, and it's like brand new again.
And I'm sure it's not quite as expensive than the new
The
unit.
plates are about $100 each. This one has 8.
Nice. This is interesting. And I bet everybody who's watching this video knows this already, and I'm learning it for the first time. I'm such a kindergartner.
He does this demo just like I did. This is where I
Yeah.
learned this on his YouTube video.
Right.
And he did the whole demo, and I said, that's incredible. And I trust Pat Boone. He's a good guy.
Well, he doesn't write well, but I trust him too.
Well, he's 86 years
No,
old.
well, he did pretty good then on that autograph. But so have you met him?
Yeah, I did.
Look at I'm getting all enamored. I'm starstruck.
He was in Gallatin for a one-day showing at a promotion on his Dot Records.
Right.
Yeah, he sold several million records. You know, and he was in Hollywood, did films and things of that nature. But yeah, I got to go up there and see him, and he signed my hat, and
Nice.
he met with a lot of people.
That's so cool. So now, if people come in here, you'll explain everything to them again. If for some reason they didn't catch it in this video, you'll talk to them and show them what's what.
Oh yeah, I've been showing this demonstration for 11 years.
You're right next to what? Eye Care Plus and
Care Plus in Hendersonville.
Papa Murphy's, and then he's right in that shopping strip mall. And come on in and just say hi, and he'll show you around. And wait do you taste this, guys? As much as I was blown away by the Tower Gardens, I'm blown away by this water. This is incredible. Okay, so is it okay if I come back and do a follow-up video?
Sure.
Because I guarantee that you're gonna probably have the best Tower Garden I've ever seen so far to date.
I know, right?
Am I right? Am I right?
I know, right?
Yeah, it's going to be like super Tower Garden.
Yeah.
It's going to have a red cape when I come in, literally. But listen, thank you, sir, for your time. I appreciate it.
Welcome, Jack.
Thank you.
It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, too.